Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our first time single take honest reaction to Human Nature of Michael Jackson. Have you heard this song, Human Nature?
No.
Okay, I haven't heard it either. But the title of the song is very intriguing. Let's get started with our first time single take honest reaction to this song of Michael Jackson.
How hard is it?
Looking out across the night, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do it that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do it that way? Reaching out, touch a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do it that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do it that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. That way. Looking out across the morning, the city's heart begins to beat. Reaching out, I touch her shoulder. I'm dreaming of a street. If they say why, does he do it that way? If they say just why, does he do it that way? If they say does he do it that way? They say just does he do it that way? I like living this way.
Wow. When you hear a song like that, you realize why he was one of the only musicians that was so popular worldwide.
Why?
I don't think there's any other musician in history that could come close, any band, any musician who could come close to how popular Michael Jackson was in the entire world. For example, the Beatles, they were merely known in UK, few countries in Europe and America. By the time they actually got popular a bit outside of that, those regions, they were already separated.
Yeah.
They were already apart. They had no unity in the band and they were already apart. Elvis, he was mainly popular in US.
Yeah.
It took a long while for him to become popular in Europe and other countries. and he could never get the popularity
He could
that
never
Michael
become
Jackson.
that popular at least this side.
Michael Jackson had. But Michael Jackson, whether you talk about Japan, whether you talk about China,
All over the
whether
world
you talk
it is
about
equal.
Taiwan, Hong Kong, Vietnam, Morocco, Egypt, I mean, you name a country, you would say Samoa,
Any
American
country.
Samoa.
Yeah.
You talk about US Virgin Islands.
Yeah.
He was popular, insanely popular everywhere at his peak. And for his music, for his performance, for his dance. Here it was so beautifully arranged, the music. It was so mild, so gentle, yet putting across the message so clearly. So clearly. Very few artists had the phenomenal ability to put across the message in their song so clearly. Here he's talking about human nature, an often overlooked topic.
Yeah.
Very overlooked topic. You don't get lyrics like these too often. You know, it's the best songwriting that you'll ever find. Ever find. This kind of writing. Not just this song, all his songs. So here you have a completely unique topic which is so common, so relatable. Why does he long for this girl's company? Why does he stare at her? Why does he look at her? It's
Why
human
does he
nature.
do what he does?
It's human nature. Just a few days ago, we heard this song of the Police from UK.
Yeah.
Such a creepy kind of song. You know, every breath you take, every move you make, I'll be watching
I'll be
you.
watching you.
Everything that the person is doing, the person is spying.
Yeah.
You
He's a stalker.
like a stalker, creepy person. Here's a delicate way of putting it so well. This is immaculately done.
Human.
You know, that is put in such a creepy way. This is put in such a gentle, beautiful way where you can connect with it. Okay, yeah, I understand this. I do understand this. My own wife, is looking good in something. I notice it. I do always notice it, and I make it a point to talk about it in some way to her directly. You know, so that's human nature.
Human nature.
That's human nature. So that's my view on this song. Just beautiful. I love the way it was sung. I love the work of the others, part of it. One thing about Michael Jackson, which is very, very different again from most other musicians of his time, he always gave great respect and credit to his
Always
musicians, backup singers, and everyone. I don't think there's any other musician who was quite like him as a solo act, who gave that much respect to their fellow musicians, and singers took great care of them. Even after he passed away,
Yeah.
it was part of his will and part of his thing that they should be taken care of. You don't get people like this.
You
Don't
know,
get like people like this in the
till
industry.
the day he was alive, most musicians, most struggling musicians, wanted to be some way or the other, wanted to be associated with him or affiliate with him, sometime or the other, get the opportunity to perform with him, be associated with him in some way or the other, and that speaks volumes about the way he used to respect other musicians. That kind of concern we don't get from many other legendary musicians as well, who are known to be legendary, but they don't have that kind of heart. It's all the public image that makes them look that great. Anyway, coming to the song and the topic of the song, it is very beautifully and very humanly presented there, the things that we do, which may sound odd at times, but why do we do that? Because we are all humans. There are, every single thing you cannot put into right or wrong. There are things that we do, and that is the human instinct in us that makes us do that. We may not intend to do something wrong. Our intentions may not be that I'm trying to do something wrong. It is the human nature and the instinct that is making you do certain things. It's about celebrating the city or the place where you are. You want to get maximum out of it. Why do you want to do that? Because I am human. I am a social being. I want to enjoy it. I want to embrace it. That's exactly what he's talking about. If a guy is attracted towards a girl, or a girl is attracted to a guy, it's human nature. A man and a woman are supposed to be the opposite sides of the magnet. They always will be pulling towards each other. That's how simple it is. And that's exactly what he did over here in a musical way. Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our first time single take honest reaction to the association, and the song is Cherish. It is our first time listen to this song. It will be an honest reaction, a single take reaction as usual.
Cherish is a word I use to describe all the feeling that I have hiding here for you inside. You don't know how many times I've wished that I had told you. You don't know how many times I've wished that I could hold you. You don't know how many times I've wished that I could mold you into someone who could cherish me as much as I cherish you. Perish is a word that more than applies to the hope in my heart each time I realize that I am not gonna be the one to share your dreams, that I am not gonna be the one to share your schemes, that I am not gonna be the one to share what seems to be the life that you could cherish as much as I do yours. Oh, I'm beginning to think that man has never found the words that could make you want me, that have the right amount of letters, just the right sound that could make you hear, make you see that you are driving me out of my mind. Oh, I could say I need you, but then you'd realize that I want you, just like 1,000 other guys would say they love you, with all the rest of their lives, when all they wanted was to touch your face, your hands, and gaze into your eyes. Cherish is the word I use to describe all the feeling that I have hiding here for you inside. You don't know how many times I wish that I had told you. You don't know how many times I wish that I could hold you. You don't know how many times I wish that I could mold you into someone who could cherish me as much as I cherish you. And I do cherish you. And I do cherish you. Cherish is the
Wow, well sung, well sung. It sounds like the choir at the Sunday Mass.
Sunday Mass. They sounded more like the 60s times when the entire band used to, sing together, like the Turtles, the Beatles, and the Beach Boys and others. The young boys, and they would be singing together. It was like that. And yes, Sunday Mass, it is that way. I like the sound of the music that was, the bells that were turning round, like the album musical system used to, when you would open and how it would turn round and round. Something like that was done. Maybe xylophone, maybe something, but it was very soothing, very mild, very gentle sounds that were coming, as if something was unwinding and it was going on. I like that sound. I like the drumming. It was all very natural, very, very acoustic sound to the song.
Yeah, he's basically saying, I hope that you cherish me one day,
Same way I do.
same way that I do, because I really do cherish you. Kept talking about how much he cherishes her. He's also talking about others who may be cherishing her. They want to.
But theirs is fake.
Okay, I didn't get that. But he's also
Because he
talking
said
about some.
they just want to touch your face and look into your eyes and things like that. That's why they do. But
So
I
it's
keep
not
it
pure.
inside.
It's not pure.
Yeah.
The love, the fascination isn't pure. It's adulterated. It's twisted. It's manipulated. It's unreal.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there's nothing unreal and manipulated about the sound of this band. They sound like a band.
Yeah.
Little bit they sound like the Beatles. Little bit like the Beatles. Little bit like the Bread. Nice sound they have. They sing very well in tandem. I was watching that play Les Miserables.
Oh.
Les Miserables. They pronounce in French, I think.
Okay.
Les Miserables.
Miserable.
Yeah, so Les Miserables.
Miserable. Now,
That has
I don't know French.
That has phenomenal singers. The English version of it on Broadway. It was streaming online and I watched it. Amazing. Of course, right now due to the pandemic, lots and lots of things are available for free online on platforms such as YouTube.
one of the benefits of coronavirus.
Yeah, mainly YouTube, but also on, I'm sure maybe also on other platforms, though I have not checked. So you get a lot of things for free right now. Many musicians, many theatre actors, theatre directors are sharing things for free because who knows when they will be back
I
on
know.
tour. When will they be allowed to actually hold a concert or have a play on Broadway? Who knows? It will take some time. The way New York is, way things are happening right now all over the world. Yeah. What are your thoughts? Anything else about this Cherish? It's a wonderful quality, isn't it? Cherish.
Cherish.
To talk about somebody cherishing someone.
Yeah.
What exactly does it mean? Do you think, Kirti?
Cherish?
When I say, if I say I cherish you, or you say you cherish me, you don't say that when it comes to me. But let's assume you said, what does it mean when a person says they cherish someone?
When you immensely enjoy someone, you don't have to actually make it obvious. You don't have to make it out loud, confession or something, but you inside, within yourself, celebrate it to the fullest of your ability. That's exactly what I feel cherish is. And all of us cherish one another who we care for, whether it is our parents, whether it is our children, whether it is our partners, people we love the most. We do cherish. We may not announce it, as I said, but that does not hold us from celebrating it inside. Some people do it more often, some people do it less. Maybe they are busy. But right now is the best time to cherish one another. Whether it is very obvious or not is secondary. But having that thought in it, or the spot in your heart is always there for people when they cherish.
A song like this would be good to listen to with your partner.
It is.
It is also a good song for a wedding dance.
Ah,
A wedding
yeah.
dance where, at
It's
a
a
wedding,
nice one. Yeah.
very wedding reception.
Where people don't fall,
Yeah.
people don't make a fool of themselves, and their wedding album or the video.
Yeah, it's kind of slow
It's
and
nice and
wonderful, so people can dance to it very well. Nice, very nice song for a wedding.
I like the way they sang it.
Yeah, they sang it
Most
very well.
importantly, they sang it beautifully.
There were 2 or 3 people singing it
At
together,
least, yeah.
and to sing it that well for 3 minutes or so with in one.
Never once, you felt that anybody was
The
going
reason
out
I
of
was
line.
talking about the play Les Miserables was because there also you had so many singers singing in sync. Just amazing the way they time themselves. They have to be pitch perfect to get it right. The timing has to be insanely in sync to get it right. Because one or two people will go a little off key, or the timing is little bit ahead or behind. Even by a millisecond, it doesn't sound as
It
good.
loses its charm as well.
Yeah, so these musicians are really really good who can do this. Of course, here there were just 2 or 3 in like the play like we watched, and several other plays that you get to see, or even that we have gone to. When 10 people, 20 people, 30 people do it together, they sing together in unison. That's wow, that's real art. I've seen a lot to
It
be able to do
requires
it in
also
sync.
professionalism.
So I like music like that for that reason. Being someone who has done a lot of, in my school days at least, a lot of acting in
Stage.
plays and even in college, little bit here and there acting, and also watching a lot of plays and always being interested in things like that. I definitely like when music is created this way. It's also been seen in little bit off and on in symphonic metal. For example, Rhapsody of Fire. One of my favorite songs of this, Symphony of Enchanted Lands.
Yeah.
I like it
Well-
mainly because they sing it so beautifully.
Well arranged.
Yeah. So that's it for this one. Any final thoughts before we move on to the next one?
This is our first time listen to the association, and it was a good introduction. If they had requested ahead in the future, I would be interested, as long as the songs are this good or probably better than this. Whenever we do two videos in one reaction, the information about both, or if we do three songs in one reaction, the info is always given inside the description so that you can check it, because all the content does not come in the title of the
And
song.
what we've noticed is whenever we've done that, like we've been doing it for a few months now,
Yeah.
whenever we even tried to squeeze in all of them into the title,
Doesn't
it
come.
didn't get, it didn't get the traction that it would have normally got. So we have seen that when we place just one song in the title, which we feel will get the maximum traction for that
bring the most,
request or for those reaction videos on YouTube, definitely the response has been much better. So that's one of the main reason we know it's sometimes difficult, it's not fair also even to ignore, but then we just can't put all three in the title, and when we have done that, we don't get the, it gets lesser views than if we had put one.
Yeah.
And it has been seen almost 100% of the time. For a few months we've seen it, so we've decided to change that and just put one song and up there who we felt would possibly do well after. Obviously, after we've made our reaction and rendered it and all, we have a better idea which we think might do well on our channel. Sometimes, very rarely, we are wrong,
Yeah.
but most of the time we are right, and it's been proven so in the last 1 month, where we've started with just putting one name on there, and sometimes just 2 out of 3. We can't help it. That's the way to go.
So just if you're, in case you're interested in all 2-3 artists and you want to watch, the names are given along with the title of the song inside the description. Just check it. It takes less than 2 seconds and you will know what all is there. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.